In a defining moment for Chinese military aviation, the People's Liberation Army Navy (PLAN) has officially certified the J-35 stealth fighter jet for carrier-based operations, marking a historic advancement in China's naval modernization. Developed by the Shenyang Aircraft Corporation under the state-run Aviation Industry Corporation of China (AVIC), the twin-engine fifth-generation fighter symbolizes the country's ambition to achieve parity with, and potentially challenge, Western naval aviation power. With the certification now confirmed, the J-35 is cleared to operate from China's newest and most advanced carrier, the Fujian, which features an electromagnetic catapult launch system, catabar, similar to that of U.S. Navy supercarriers. This achievement solidifies China's status as the only nation outside the United States to field a stealth fighter capable of catapult-assisted carrier operations. The J-35, an evolution of the earlier FC-31 prototype first unveiled at airshows nearly a decade ago, has undergone a comprehensive development and testing process that pushed the limits of China's aeronautical engineering. Over the past several years, engineers and naval pilots have conducted an extensive series of trials, including simulated carrier takeoffs, arrested recoveries, and operational readiness tests at shore-based facilities designed to replicate carrier decks. Recent footage and satellite imagery of the J-35 aboard the Fujian suggested that the aircraft was nearing its certification phase, a milestone that now confirms China's success in integrating stealth capabilities with carrier aviation. Technically, the J-35 brings a range of cutting-edge systems to the deck. It is equipped with an active electronically scanned array, AESA, radar, advanced electro-optical targeting sensors, and state-of-the-art data links for network-centric operations. Its internal weapons bay enables it to carry air-to-air and precision-guided munitions while maintaining a low radar signature. The aircraft's design, featuring canted twin tails, blended fuselage contours, and radar-absorbent coatings, reduces its radar cross-section and enhances survivability in high-threat environments. Combined with its twin-engine power plant, which provides greater thrust and redundancy, the J-35 is optimized for the rigorous conditions of carrier launch and recovery, an operational demand that even the most advanced land-based fighters cannot meet. Strategically, the induction of the J-35 represents a leap in the plan's blue water ambitions. China's naval forces have already made major strides with the commissioning of 3 carriers, the Liaoning, Shandong, and Fujian, signaling a transition from regional defense to global reach. With the J-35 now ready for deployment, China gains a stealth-capable fighter that can extend its maritime surveillance, strike capabilities, and air superiority missions far beyond the first island chain. Analysts predict that carrier groups equipped with J-35 squadrons will allow China to project power into the Indian Ocean, the South Pacific, and potentially the Middle East and Africa as its overseas bases and logistical networks expand. The aircraft's operational readiness also highlights a shift in China's defense strategy toward fully integrated, joint domain operations. When paired with the KJ-600 carrier-based early warning aircraft and advanced UAVs currently under development, the J-35 could become the centerpiece of a new generation carrier air wing capable of real-time battlefield networking, electronic warfare, and stealth strike missions. Military observers suggest that China is aiming for full carrier group deployment of the J-35 within the next 2 to 3 years, coinciding with the Fujian sea trials and combat readiness phase. Beyond the immediate military implications, the J-35 certification sends a clear geopolitical message. It demonstrates Beijing's determination to reduce dependence on foreign technology, advance indigenous innovation, and assert its maritime claims through a credible display of power. For the United States and its allies, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region, this development represents a new layer of complexity in the balance of power at sea. The presence of stealth fighters on Chinese carriers could alter regional deterrence dynamics, forcing neighboring nations to reassess their own defense and strategic postures. As China continues to refine its naval aviation infrastructure, the J-35 stands as both a symbol and a tool of its growing confidence on the world stage. From airshows to carrier decks, the jet's journey reflects a broader national push for technological mastery and military self-reliance. Now, with certification achieved and deployment on the horizon, the J-35 embodies China's leap toward becoming a true maritime superpower, one capable of matching its global ambitions with the air power to sustain them.